Now that you are armed with the necessary tools and skills for successful trading, let's recap the important elements for reference. Discipline and patience are your best friends when trading. Completely exclude emotions and hope from your trading decisions. If you want to succeed, you will have to strongly believe that you will succeed. If you believe that you will succeed, do your homework, make a trading plan in advance and stick to it. Never change your mind when in a position. Build a sound money and risk management strategy, and never risk more than 2 to 3% per trade. Use modest leverage from 3 to a maximum of 10 times your deposit. Sitting aside and watching without trading is an important part of successful trading. Try not to predict an event or a move. Money lies in a proper reaction, not prediction. Only select trades with a good probability factor, while allowing your profit target to be at least double your stop loss. Remember, the first third of a newly formed trend is the best time to enter into a trade. Trend and channel lines are the most reliable trading indicators, so use them all the time. Never overtrade and never take yourself too seriously, as there is life outside markets. Finally, don't dwell on factors you cannot influence. Happy trading and thank you for your attention.